ஸோ இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ணுறேன் அப்படின்னா, இப்போ இது ஒரு மார்க்கர். ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் அண்ட் ஃப்ரெஷர் அப்படின்னா இப்போ நான் எப்படி ஹேண்டில் பண்ணுவேன்னா, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் நான் ஒரு ட்ராக் எடுக்கணும் இந்த ஃபுட்டேஜஸ்க்கு. ஐ ஹோப் யூ நோ அபவுட் திஸ் ட்ராக்கிங். ஸோ என்ன பண்ணுறேன் அப்படின்னா, இந்த பாயிண்ட்டை மட்டும் தான் நீ ட்ராக் எடுக்கணும். ஜஸ்ட் கண்ட்ரோல் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு இப்போ நான் பண்ண போகிற ஒர்க் வந்து ஜஸ்ட் ஒன்லி ஃபார் திஸ் மார்க்கர் ஒன்லி. ஸோ அப்படின்னா நீங்கள் ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி என்ன பண்ணணும், நீங்கள் ஃபுல் ஃப்ரேம் ட்ராக் எடுத்துடணும். ஒன்ஸ் யூ டேக் திஸ் ட்ராக் அண்ட் தென் யூ ஜஸ்ட் ஆட் திஸ் சம் rotor node here. So on this rotor node, first you have just copy this track values. Just go to this, copy this values. Okay, just copy this animation and here just go to this, just click this root and then only you can be paste it. Okay, and then paste it is absolute. Okay, and then now you can be just put one ellipse here. Okay, then it will be rotate like this and then put one transform mask. So here just connect to this one plate and mask to this rotor. So this is the angle for x and y, like as our school graph. If you just adjust this x, then you have to remove this tracker, then you can adjust it. Can you see this? Then you will be remove this marker. Yes. So once you just remove this, you have to check each and every channel. Now this red channel is okay, green channel is a problem, and blue channel also a problem. After that you have to check each and every channel. When every channel is perfect, then your one marker is over. Then you have to proceed the same concept for another marker. So if anything, some colors or light and disturbed, you can adjust by using this grade. Just add one grade node and mask to this rotor. And adjust it by grade. Okay, so this is the process. So for the rotor paint tool, I have to share you some important techniques about you, because everyone know about this clone tool, right? So here, if I am going to add this plate, for example, this plate, I am just going to remove this marker. At what kind of situation we are going to use this marker means, if the character is interactions on this marker means we have to clear it out very perfectly. So that is very complicated shots we are always using in this marker. So if I am just adding this plate here and I am just connecting it. Okay, so this kind of shot. So it has a lot of movement. Once this marker has interacted into this hat, you can see this here. Once this marker has interacted into this hat, how can we create it? But there is no option. We have to remove by using this rotor paint node. How we can remove it means, first process is, first you have to take the tracker in all the markers, and the next process is you have to clean up the marker if it is a very clear area by using this format. By using this transform tool, first you have to clear all the markers in this plane area. You don't worry about this interactions area, first you just clear it and then just put the render. After that you should have to use this rotor paint tool. So first of all, I am just connecting the BG to this plate. So that means here I have to fix this BG. Guys, just 10 minutes more If it is closed, I will share you another link for you. Okay, don't worry about this time. This is the rotopaint tool. So if I am connecting the BG to this plate, so I have to put BG here. Once I put BG here, I can, for example, here is the reference image that I have to take this to here. For example, 1033, I have to clear the marker for, I am just taking the reference to 1124. So previous 10 frames, so I am just adding this example to -10, and if I press on input, can you see this? Now I can see my reference image. If I am increasing my opacity, so I have to take it the reference and paste it here. So this type of purpose we have to use the support in this rotopaint tool. And then we have some lot of options. What we have options in this Photoshop has the same option like this. So here can you see this size and hardness and everything we can be adjust very easily. Okay, so this is the process that you have to know about this paint tool. And then next, wire removal. Mostly wire removal, for wire removal shot there are some two kinds of shots. One is camera is very static and wire is moving. For this shot, I can play this shot. Can you see this? Now this camera is very static and this wire is moving. So this kind of shot, we don't worry about this camera. We can easily remove it by using this rotopaint tool. If some situation camera is moving and this wire also moving, means we have to arrest this camera. Mostly this kind of shot we can use this NUKE, and it also we can use it for silhouette also, because silhouette is better than NUKE for this kind of shot. We can easily arrest the camera in silhouette. And then now I'm just important techniques that I have to tell you about this dust burst. I don't know everyone can hear about this name or not. This dust burst means in this previous century, because of the some lightning, because of the smoke, some unwanted dust just included in these footages. You see this? So this is the dust. It can be come only one frame and can be gone to this another frame. Right? Then how we can be handle this type of dust burst? So this is the work for the freshers. Some situations fresher can only handle this, because this is not a big deal of works. This is not very complicated works. This can be very easily tasked by using this only by manual paint. So how can we find this? Because this dust burst is always have some brightness colors. That means if I put this erode node, just increasing the size, can you see this? So what are the brightness in this color? It will show this. So these are the dust burst. And then I have to add paint node here. Sorry, rotopaint node. And then I have to add this rotopaint node here, and I'm just going to be clear it out by using this glow. I'm just simply taking this reference from here. So this kind of work we can call it as dust burst. Once you clear all this dust burst, and then you can remove it by the delete, because delete is the only purpose we can see this dust burst. Okay, we can't render it itself. Okay, so this is the basic process, guys. ஏன்னா இந்த விஷயம் இது மட்டும் தெரிஞ்சாலே போதும், you can easily join into this VFX industry as a prep artist. You don't know about this camera tracking. What is camera tracking தெரிஞ்சாலே போதும், but you never know about this, what are the things are happening in this camera tracking. Okay, so I hope you guys are understand on these classes. Now what I'm just teaching you now, this is the very basics. So if you know this, then you can be eligible. That's it.